Disclaimer. The videos are purely for educational purposes. The intention is to guide the students to fare well in their term and examinations of their professional courses. I will not be contacting any of the subscribers or followers with messages regarding private tutoring or any money transactions. If anybody does message you, please report them and block them immediately. Professor K.M channel will not be responsible for the actions by the imposters with the same name.
Welcome to my channel. I am Professor K.M. Mahadevappa, faculty in Masters of Public Administration, Indira Gandhi National Open University for the last 30 years. Today, I have taken the course MPA-016 of Public Administration, which comes under second year courses, and the title of the subject is Decentralization and Local Governance. The syllabus of MPA-16 has got 23 units from Unit 1 to Unit 23, and in order to see that the answer for a question that is appearing in assignment as well as determined examination is answered, I have taken one of the papers of term and examination of June 2011, and the questions are as under. As already notified in the question paper, you are required to answer 5 questions in 3 hours in the term and examination, which gives you 35 minutes per question, and this 500 words will fetch you maximum marks, and as per the formulation of the university, you are supposed to answer the assignments before you could appear for term and examination, and the assignment carry 100 marks, out of which 30% of 100 scored in assignment will be added to the marks obtained in the term and examination, where out of 100, 70% of that will be added to your assignment marks, and totaling both assignment and determined examination, your results will be declared, and that is how it is. I would just read the questions that are there in section 1 and section 2, where you are required to answer 5 questions by selecting 2 or 3 in each of them, and I would rather advise students not to leave any question unanswered. The questions are now read out. The first one is, describe briefly the concept and significance of democratic decentralization. Discuss the concept of empowerment and highlight its need. Write a note on the politico-administrative component of decentralization. Principle of balance is an important principle of equal distribution of benefits of development, examine the partnership between local authorities and special purpose agencies in health sector. As far as section 2 is concerned, highlight the features of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. 7. Explain the organization, structure, powers, and functions of municipalities. Highlight the issues in rural development in the context of development planning. Discuss the constraints in micro level planning. Examine the challenges in the area of sustainable development and environment. The answer to one of the questions will be furnished to you in my next video. All the best. Thank you.